Integrated smoke alarms often trigger false alarms due to steam, dust, or interlink faults. Steam and dust are common culprits, especially with older ionization sensors. Fix this by relocating alarms at least 10 feet from kitchens and bathrooms, and clean sensors quarterly using a vacuum or compressed air. Interlink faults, where one alarm triggers the entire system, are often due to low batteries or wiring issues. Reset the system by pressing the test silence button on all units for 10 to 15 seconds, or briefly disconnecting power. Test each alarm individually to identify the faulty unit. After changing batteries or addressing faults, reset the alarm by holding the hush button until it chirps, usually 5 to 10 seconds. For hardwired units, reset via the breaker box. To prevent false alarms, test alarms monthly and clean them regularly. Replace alarms every 10 years or after repeated false alarm episodes. Consider upgrading to photoelectric sensors or smart alarms with AI that can distinguish between smoke and steam, significantly reducing nuisance alerts. Remember, regular maintenance and modern technology are key to reliable smoke detection.